You know they call me Chef's Sticker, so let's get in the kitchen. Okay, so these are all of our ingredients that we're going to be using. Chicken bouillon, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Johnny's seasoning, salt, and garlic pepper. So I went ahead and cleaned my chicken, then I cut it up into cubes. Here you'll see that I'm adding the seasoning. And so I created this because I used to go to Joey's and get the sweet chili chicken, but they don't serve it anymore. I don't know if any of you guys used to get that, but it was so good. I would get that with the gorgonzola bread. Fire. So it looks like I'm adding a lot of seasoning, but I'm only going to season this one side of the chicken, and then I'm going to mix everything together to evenly distribute it all over. So now I'm just mixing the chicken in with the seasoning. I'm just mixing it simple. If you feel that you don't have enough seasoning on it when you're mixing it, just go ahead and add more. I would probably just do the Johnny's. As you can see here, mine is nicely seasoned. I didn't need to add anything extra. Next, we're gonna add flour, and then I just put the flour on top of the chicken, mixed it in together, and then I seasoned it with black pepper. Now that the flour is nicely all over the chicken, we're just gonna put it in some grease and let it cook. Once it's cooked, I just moved it to a plate over a paper towel so we can drain the excess grease. And then we're gonna take some Trader Joe's sweet chili sauce, add it to a pan with some butter, let it get mixed in, then we're gonna add our meat. All right, next I'm gonna add my chicken, and then I'm gonna make sure that I'm doing all the sides of the chicken so that it's nicely soaked up. And then I'm gonna put some rice in a plate, put my chicken on top, boom. Do you see the seasoning on the chicken though? Get into it. And that's that.